In this video, we'll see how we can add GST tax switch in your Shopify store. Here you can see currently I placed a order and it is showing CGST 9% and HGST 9% is included. We'll see how we can set up CGST, SGST and IGST tax switch. Let's go. Here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now we want to add GST functionality or tax system in your Shopify store. First, what we need to do, go on setting. When you scroll down here, you can see the taxage and duty. Now we need to set up for like GST type of taxes. When you go here, you can see these are some by default settings that are added. First, if your tax slab is 18%, here in India, set 9%. Now after that, now from which state you are selling, depend on what. If you are selling from, suppose we are selling from Delhi. Other than Delhi, on all the region, I will set 80% and I will name the tax at IGST, and here I will select instead of 9%, charge this. Now, when I go in Delhi, this is Delhi. For here, I will charge FGST and I will write added to federal tax, and here it will be 9%. So now for Delhi, I will give 9 CGST to government and 9 FGST to state. And in other state, there will be IGST all over. So in this way, we have set up the GST system. You can see. Now, if you want to override something for any specific location or anything, you can add a override here. Now, there's also option of product override. Like if for a specific product you want to charge different taxes, then select the collection. You can add the override as per your need. Like you can see here. Now you for that collection you can add different type of override. Okay. So if you want to add different taxes for different products, you can also do it here. Now we have added tax system. Now what we need to do? You need to go on products. You need to check if tax is enabled. Then only tax will be shown. Here, this is my product. Here you can see charge taxes here. It is enable. If it is not enable, then it will be not shown. Now there's one another thing about taxes. When you go on taxes and duty, when you scroll down here, you can include sale tax inside the product and shipping. You can enable it. Otherwise, tax will be charged additional to product price. Okay. Now let's go. Now let's go to your store. I will view this product and try to buy it. Now here it is showing this rupees of tax is included. It will show. I will try to place order, complete the order. Now order has been completed. Here you see all the detail is showing. Now when I go on my order, here you see everything is showing. CGST is that much charge, FGST 9%. Included. So here it is showing 18% taxes has been charged, including 9% CGST, 9% FGST, because currently you can see my pin code is Delhi. If I try to place order with another state, IGST will be shown. So that's how GST system or tax is enabled in Shopify. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So